Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from binary search, which is called search in 2D matrix 2. Okay, so we before this video we solved search in 2D matrix 1 where entire matrix was sorted, but here just matrix is sorted row wise and column wise. So for example, if you see here 147 first row 147 11 15, okay, and column wise if you see 15, if you go from top to bottom 15 19 22 24 30, they are sorted. But if you see here, after one this 2 came, right? 147 11 15 and then 2 came, so means they are not sorted row wise. Row wise means globally they are not sorted, okay, but row wise and column wise they are sorted. So here you cannot apply binary search like we applied in the earlier video, okay, before this one. So now what you will do here, one thing you are sure about, what is that? That if you check this one, right, you basically you will sort it on column wise, okay. And why? So now I am telling you that. So that, see here, if you check in, for this 15, okay, you're sure for one thing that if you go from right to left, okay, so the value will decrease, and if you go from top to bottom the value will increase, okay. So we will use this one only. Your range will be 0 to column minus 1. So what is your column? 3 to 5, 5 minus 1 4. This one will be your range, 0 to 4, okay. Now here you will check if this is the matrix, if this is your target, then to return true. If this is not your target and target is lesser, so you know that if you go to left to right, if you go from left to right, so your value will decrease. So what you will do? Column minus minus. Now check for this value 11. Let's say you have to find 13. So if you check 15 13, 13 is lesser, so you moved to left hand side. Now if you check for this 11, okay, so 11 13 is greater now. So what you will do? You will do column row plus plus, okay. Why? Because if you go from top to bottom then value will increase, okay. Now 12 again, 13 is greater, so again go top to bottom, so 16, now value is lesser, so go to right to left. 9, now value is lesser, right, so go to top to bottom. So 14, now value is greater, so go to left hand side. So now 13, so yeah, 13 equal to my target, okay. So I'll return true. So that is what they are doing here. First they find the number of rows, number of columns, their range will be 0 to m minus 1. They apply binary search on this, okay. If matrix row column is equal to your target, then to return true. Otherwise, if it is greater, so do column minus minus, okay, move left. Otherwise row plus plus, move down, and at the end return false if no element found. So that's it. Thank you.